Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the world of beauty products to give you the most honest and detailed reviews. Today, we're taking a closer look at the ELEMIS Ultra Smart Pro-Collagen Night Genius, a luxurious anti-wrinkle recovery cream that promises to replenish, rejuvenate, and firm your skin overnight. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk about what this product is all about. ELEMIS, a renowned brand in the skincare industry, has designed this cream to target signs of aging by working its magic while you sleep. It's packed with a blend of powerful ingredients, formulated to hydrate the skin, reduce the appearance of wrinkles, and improve skin elasticity over time. This product is particularly geared towards those looking for a rich, restorative night cream to address mature skin concerns. Now, on to the ingredients. ELEMIS has combined a few key powerhouse components here. It includes the brand's signature Pro-Collagen technology, which focuses on boosting the skin's natural collagen production. Collagen is essential for maintaining youthful skin, and its production naturally declines as we age. In addition, there's the addition of peptides, which are known for their ability to support the skin's elasticity and firmness, giving that lifted look. And let's not forget about nourishing oils and botanical extracts that deeply hydrate and replenish the skin overnight. As for my personal experience using the ELEMIS Ultra Smart Pro Collagen Night Genius, I found it to be incredibly easy to incorporate into my evening skincare routine. The texture is rich, but not greasy, and it absorbs beautifully into the skin without leaving any heavy residue. It feels like an indulgent treat at the end of the day, and the scent is subtle, yet calming, which makes it feel even more relaxing when applying before bed. I tested this product over the course of a few weeks, using it consistently at night after my cleansing routine. Immediately after application, my skin felt nourished and hydrated, and I noticed a slight plumping effect. By morning, my face looked fresher and well-rested, definitely a plus if you're someone who struggles with dull or tired-looking skin. Over time, I began to notice smoother skin texture, and the fine lines around my eyes appeared less pronounced. The cream didn't irritate my sensitive skin, and I didn't experience any breakouts, which can sometimes happen with richer formulations. However, one thing to note is that while the product did offer visible improvements in skin texture and hydration, I didn't see an overnight miracle with wrinkle reduction. If you're looking for dramatic, immediate anti-wrinkle results, you might want to manage your expectations a bit. This product works more gradually over time, making it a great option for those who are committed to a consistent skincare routine. When it comes to the pros of this product, I can confidently say that the ELEMIS Ultra Smart Pro Collagen Night Genius lives up to its claims in terms of skin hydration, texture improvement, and overall nourishment. The luxurious feel of the cream is definitely a highlight, as is the fact that it doesn't leave your skin feeling greasy or weighed down. On the downside, the biggest con is the price point. At its current retail price, it's definitely on the higher end. While the product does deliver results, it's a significant investment. If you're someone on a tighter budget, this might be a bit of a stretch, unless you're looking for a premium anti-aging cream. In terms of value for money, I'd say it's a bit of a splurge. You're paying for the high-quality ingredients and the luxury experience. But if you're on the hunt for something more affordable, there are alternatives that can offer similar results at a lower price point. That said, if you're willing to invest in your skincare and want something that delivers a noticeable improvement over time, this product could very well be worth it. As for build quality, the packaging is typical of ELEMIS: sleek, minimalistic, and practical. The jar is heavy, and the cap is secure, ensuring the product stays sealed and protected. I have no complaints about the durability of the packaging. The 50 milliliter size also seems generous for a night cream, and it lasts for a decent amount of time with regular use. Customer support-wise, I've had positive experiences with ELEMIS in the past, as they are known for being responsive and helpful. I haven't personally had to reach out for this product, but the brand's reputation in terms of customer service is solid. If you're considering alternatives, there are definitely other night creams in the market that also focus on anti-aging and firming. Brands like Olay, Neutrogena, and even The Ordinary offer more budget-friendly options that incorporate peptides and collagen-boosting ingredients. While they might not have the same luxe experience as ELEMIS, they can still be effective for addressing similar skin concerns. To wrap up my review of the ELEMIS Ultra Smart Pro-Collagen Night Genius, this is a fantastic option if you're looking to treat your skin to a high-end, nourishing night cream. It delivers real results in terms of hydration, texture, and skin rejuvenation. However, the price may be a deal breaker for some. If you're serious about anti-aging and are willing to invest in a premium product, this could definitely be a worthy addition to your routine. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.